Now here's a fun upgrade. Lithium batteries dropped in to replace deep cycle marine batteries. This is a great upgrade. I recommend that if you're spending any time off-grid where you're planning to use your solar and not be plugged in to shore power for extended periods of time. Lithium batteries give you a lot of extra usefulness. More cycles, you can run your appliances longer, you can stay cool, keep your devices charged. Now our batteries include onboard software management, so you can monitor the current power state without having to look at anything else. You see the 5 lights there. So the solar system that we upgraded and installed on this particular RV is keeping both of the batteries 100% charged, perfect health. You get a lot of life out of these. Lithium batteries will last years. It's not like a deep cycle battery where you're lucky to get 2 years out of them. These will probably outlast your RV, and it's a great upgrade, one we definitely recommend.